Hey everyone, the purpose of this video is to present the pathway that food takes through the gastrointestinal tract of the human digestive system. More specifically, food travels along through the alimentary canal. This canal is defined as a tube that food touches, so not including accessory organs such as salivary glands, gallbladder, liver, pancreas. Food doesn't move through there. Those play a huge role in the digestive process, but not for the passageway of food. So, beginning, we have our large man muscle body guy here, and he will take a bite of food. His tongue, it's going to enter through the oral cavity, where his tongue, his salivary glands, his teeth, those will all help turn that food, chew it into what's known as a bolus. And this will then be swallowed and travel down the oropharynx and then the laryngopharynx. It's going to trigger the epiglottis to push down, cover the trachea so the food doesn't get into the wrong tube, the trachea, and it will move down the esophagus. I'll move this. Okay, whoa, things are falling. Hold on. All right, we're good. So once we're here, basically the food moves to the stomach from the esophagus through the gastroesophageal sphincter. Once it's in the stomach, this is all going to fall, isn't it? Okay, hold on one second. And this is also a quick demo on how to maybe or maybe not successfully dismantle the muscle man body guy here, because it'll happen in your class. You'll just fall everywhere, and that's just part of the learning experience. So the esophagus goes behind the heart, posterior to the heart, and past the diaphragm right here. This is the diaphragm, this is the liver, the stomach is under that. One second. And it will come up. Okay, here we go. It will hang out in the stomach, where a lot of enzymes will turn it into what's called chyme. The chyme will then travel out of the stomach, very acidic stomach, to the duodenum, which is, okay, here we go, we're getting there. This is the stomach, gastroesophageal sphincter into the stomach. The duodenum is the next part. It travels through the pyloric sphincter to get to the duodenum. The duodenum is the start of what's called the small intestine. There are three parts of the small intestine. We have first the duodenum, or duodenum, however you pronounce it. Then it travels, it's this big long cord used functionally to absorb the nutrients and water from the food. And then it goes to the jejunum, and then the ileum with an E, I-L-E-U-M, not ileum with an I, referring to the hip bone. So while the small intestine is this middle part, and after it gets to the jejunum and the ileum, it goes to the ileocecal valve, which is around over here, and the ileocecal valve will then, past the past the appendix on the other side. We go through the cecum. This is the cecum. Ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon. Okay, and we go past through the rectum and then the anus. And that is the passageway of food through the gastrointestinal tract. Thank you.